How to stitch photos in Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom offers a powerful and user-friendly way to merge multiple images into one seamless panorama. Let's walk through the process step by step. Before you begin, make sure all the images you want to stitch are imported into Lightroom. Now, navigate to the Develop module. In the Develop module, hold down the Control key and click on each image you want to include in the panorama to select them. With your images selected, right-click on one of the selected images and choose Photo Merge, then Panorama. Alternatively, you can go to the menu bar and select Photo Merge, then Panorama. A new window will pop up with a preview of your panorama. Lightroom will automatically select a projection option, spherical, cylindrical, or perspective, but you can change this if you like. Experiment with each to see which gives the best result for your images. Check the auto crop box to let Lightroom remove any uneven edges. If there are gaps in the panorama, you can check the Fill Edges box to have Lightroom attempt to fill them in. Once you're happy with the settings, click the Merge button. Lightroom will create the panorama and add it to your catalog. Now, you can proceed and edit your new panoramic image just like you would with any other photo. And there you have it. You've successfully created a stunning panoramic image by stitching photos together in Lightroom.